Oh, and it's another book about trucks. This one is a dump truck. You put all your dirt or gravel or rocks in here and you lift it up high and everything falls out the back. That saves people a lot of time and a lot of work. Beep, beep. A dump truck is at the job site. Dump trucks are strong machines. They carry big loads. There's the load right there. Oh, look, it's dumping out the back. Parts of a dump truck. This is the engine. It makes the dump truck go. These are the wheels. They help the truck to move. This is the cab. It is where the driver sits and turns the wheel and honks the horn. Beep, 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 beep. This is the dump box. It holds the load. This dump truck moves snow. The road is clear now, taking away the snow in the back of the dump truck. And this one dumps rocks. Look out, because those rocks are big and heavy. There's more. Let's review. The engine is up front, and the cab is where the driver sits, and this is the dump box. And dump trucks can move snow or bring a big load to a site or dump a load. Yep. And the cab is where the driver sits, and there's the dump box and the engine and the loads. Let's see if there's anything else. We're all done. That was everything we need to learn about dump trucks for right now. Bye-bye, dump truck.